In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a 1099-Q in H&R Block. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the Federal over here. So click on this drop down and go over to Federal. And from here, you'll first have to fill in your info. So it's going to basically require a bunch of different information. Make sure you just actually go through that, take your time to do it. And whenever you fill all that out, you'll see there's going to be a green check mark because it's going to be completed. And it's going to take you over to the second tab, which is income. Okay. Inside income, first, it's going to ask you a few questions, answer those, and then eventually you'll come to this screen, which is going to say either your income is looking a little empty, or it's going to say, how did you earn money last year? Now, from here, from this screen, go to the very bottom. The easiest way to actually find this form is to go to the search for a form and then type in 1099-Q. And as you can see here, it's over here. Now, there's two of them. Of course, select the one that's actually relevant to you. Let's say this one is the one. You want to click on add, and then click on go there, and it's going to take you directly to the form here, and you can just click on it, and then here you can basically click on add other income, and you'll be able to then go ahead and start by adding it on here. And then of course it's going to guide you all the way through it like H&R Block always does. You'll be just able to keep pressing the next buttons, and you'll be able to fill that form out that way. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.